Gonna brush your teeth, Brianna? Yeah, that's exciting, isn't it? Ready? Try and stick your tongue out. There we go. Let's get those gums. Yummy, yummy. Okay, time to rinse. Oh no, we don't put that in your mouth now. Oops. Here. Okay, sip of water. Ready? Good girl. You didn't even spill any of that. Do you want more? There we go. All done. I know you don't chew on that now. Icky.